Hi everyone, today I'm going to review and unbox the 70mai 4K DashCam that comes with the 4G connection add-on. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, what I have here is the 70mai 4K dashcam for your car. And the cool thing about this new one, it has the 4K AT&T compatible hardware kit, which allow you to send the signal to your phone, which is super good. And this dashcam camera comes with the front-facing camera and the rear-facing camera. And today I'm going to unbox it. I'll be back. Hi everyone, I'm back. Let's unbox the 70mai 4K dashcam camera. So let's open it. Well, it has a manual, and I wonder what this is. Oh, bunch of look like a screen cover right here. And oh, the actual stickies to mount your camera to the windshield. So, and it comes with the what is it? I'm curious. Oh, the box. Let's go. The box comes with a long cable to connect. I think it's from connecting, if I'm not mistaken, from my previous installation. This will go from the actual main front camera to the rear camera. That's why it's really long. And it comes with, oh, this is very important. This is trim tool, so you can hide the cable within the trim of the car. And this is the charging cable right here from the what do you call it, the USB power of your car to the actually the unit. So, and it comes with oh, look at that, a lot of like stickies for organizing the cable. Oh yeah, there it is, the USB car what do you call that, charger right here for powering the dashcam. This is really neat. It already comes with all the stuff that you need. The thing is, what I noticed, the installation is really simple. Just put the sticky, connect it, connect the power, and guess what, you're done. It's very simple. And the cool thing about this that I've never seen before, a lot of people wants to check the signal from their phone. So 70mai came up with the idea of having the 4G hardware kit. So anyway, before we see that, let's take a look at this unit. So it comes from the front dashcam unit that, you know, it's gonna be mounted in the front like that. And then it comes with the rear unit right here, which is really interesting. I think it's gonna connect to this. If you see this cable here, this is the female prong, this is the male. We're gonna connect it like that, and guess what, there's one way in and one way out, so you can't miss that one. So anyway, when we come back, I'm gonna show you how to install this camera on your car. I'll be back. Hi everyone, before we go through this, I'm gonna show you each function right here. There are like 4 buttons here in the bottom, and this is the power button right here. Okay, you need a memory for this, like a micro SD memory card right here, and you're gonna put it right there. So I got this really cheap 64 gigabyte memory, micro SD memory, just like this one right there, and you want to put it right over here where the, let me see, I think it's like that. You just press it like that, and now what you want to do, okay, there's like 2 input right here. One is audio video in and DC in. The bottom one is for the powering the dashcam to this. So what we want to do, get this thing. And the cool thing is I already have a USB power here. So we're gonna find a mounting space. I'm gonna connect this USB power right here to the bottom one right here, like that. Now it should power the camera when I turn the power on right here. There you go. Voila. Now it's actually on right now. See that? I'm gonna remove that screen. Voila. You can actually see this. Hold on. There. Zoom in. The camera is actually on. What you wanna do? I think this is an OK button. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Oh, there is a button. I don't want Filipino. I want English. There you go. USA. Oh, this is the OK button. We're in now. Today is what? 2026. So we're gonna go to the next one, and then this is May. It's May, and we're gonna go to the next one. Oh, hold on. May 31st today. There you go. And then click OK. And then right now it's 10 o'clock in the morning. And then next, and 10:29. We set up the date first. Then OK. No parking surveillance cable detected. So then I think it's asking us to do it later. And then we have to download the app now, right here. So I'll be back. Hi everyone. Basically, if you scan this QR code, it will take you to either Android store, App Store, or the iOS store. The software is available in both iPhone and Android phone. So I just download it and install it on your phone, so you can see the video feed from the camera through a Bluetooth connection on your phone. And then we're gonna click OK. And then since we just put the memory card, it's asking us to format it. Now it's formatting. Like that. Now it's successfully formatted. Now it's actually recording right now, which is really cool. So what we want to do, we're gonna find a place where you can actually, hold on, I'm gonna find a perfect spot right here to do it. So this one, you can actually adjust it like that, so you can get a better angle, like that. So I think I'm gonna put it somewhere right here. So I'll be back. Hi everyone, I finally commit to a spot right here in the middle, so you can get like a wide angle, view of what I want to capture when I drive out there. The thing is, I was in a police academy, and I just get out of police academy, and I was doing armed security. The thing is, when I was doing armed security, I have to have evidence when I go on patrol, and this DashCam actually helped me to record incident, so I don't have, when I go to court, I don't have to explain word per word with the bad guys. I have the video evidence to explain to the judge when I go to court. The thing is, bad guys lies. That's right, bad people lie, and you have video evidence to show incident, especially when people are throwing road rage on the road. You have evidence right here. Somebody trying to attack you, trying to harm you on the road. You have evidence. Accident on the road. People can't lie. This is really good for you, even if you're not armed security or police officer. To have this in your car is very important. So now we got this long cable right here, and the thing is, with this trim tool, I can actually hide it inside the trim right here. That's why I decided to connect it up here. So when I come back, I'm gonna try to hide the cable. I'll be back. Hi everyone, we're finally finished with the installation. As you can see, if you see it here, the camera is in the back now. I just put it in the back, and then I'll put it here. What happened is, you need this trim tools when you install this, because without this it's gonna be really painful to install the camera. What happened is you're gonna hide the cable beyond the trim. And then let's take a look at this the AT&T. I'm not gonna install it today because you have to buy the service, but if you want to do it, you can do it. See, you have to connect this to the car electrical power. So I think you need yeah, I'm not sure how to do this. I think you need to, I forgot the name, but clip it to the car battery power, and then and this is the unit, the modem, 4G modem that will send the signal. It's really nice. This is the option if you want to do it. See, this is this connector here, so you'll be able to do it if you so choose to do it. But I'm not gonna do the installation. But yeah, this is really nice, guys, to have this DashCam. It took us actually less than 1 hour to install it, so because it's so straightforward. It's just connected to your car, and then I'm gonna show you where I install it in the back. I'll be back. Hi friends, look, I install it right here, so disconnect to the front, and that's all there is to it. So yeah, if you need a DashCam, get the 70mai dual DashCam camera. It's really easy, guys. It takes less than an hour to install this whole thing. It's as long as you know you follow the instruction, and that it's super easy, guys. Just plug and play and everything runs just fine. Make sure you get the micro SD card for the memory, and you're good to go. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Love you guys. Bye.